Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 GMC Yukon. This Yukon is featured in the Denali trim and is a redwood metallic paint finish. Under the hood is our 6.2-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission, as well as four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle, we have 7-passenger seating on our jet black and brownstone finished interior with leather seats. The second row, we have heated second row buckets and heated and cooled seats in the front of the vehicle with powered settings. We also have a dual pane sunroof, Google Map integration, heated steering wheel, a heads-up display, and much more. Outside the vehicle, we have our alloy wheels, a powered assist step, as well as our powered liftgate. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks, power folding mirrors, power windows, rear child safety window lock. Driver seat memory, we have 2 memory settings as well as mirror memory. Storage, as well as our Bose speaker in the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have an electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, traction control, our parking sensors, downhill assist, auto stop start, our 360 camera view, as well as a way to turn on our 120 volt plugs. Then we have our heads-up display location, information, and brightness. Below it, transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive, as well as our drive mode select. All of our lighting controls for interior and exterior lighting, and an integrated trailer brake controller. Power tilt telescopic steering column down the side of the steering wheel, as well as audio controls tucked behind. Power driver seat and passenger seat both have power adjustable lumbar and are finished in our jet black as well as gray stone leather. You can see Denali on the back of our seat. Sitting down in the driver's seat and looking straight forward, we have a fully digital display cluster, have trip computers, a digital speedometer, as well as all of our service invoices and tire pressures. You can also see our phone, navigation, and audio on the screen. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, this is all of our adaptive cruise settings, forward collision alert, and our heated steering wheel. Right-hand side has voice recognition, hands-free. Arrows are the controls for that driver information system. Hazard lights just up and to the right of the steering wheel, and push-to-start ignition just to the right. Precision shifter is to the right as well, right next to our infotainment system. You can see we have our Google system, so we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, as well as our Google News, podcasts, and USB input. Second, we also have our Google Map integration. Phone connection, our cameras for our full surround view. We have front and rear adaptive guidelines, as well as rear hitch guidelines. If we hit the 360 button that was to the left of the steering wheel, that also opens up our camera. Then we have Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay on the first page. Second page, we have our trailering lights, My GMC, Google News, podcasts, Wi-Fi hotspot, settings, and then our climate. You can see we can adjust front and rear climate. We can also disable our rear climate and disable our front directly from here. Below it is all of our controls. So we have our audio control as well as our power and mute. Home, our seek, back, and then menu controls if we don't want to use the touchscreen, as well as seek. Then below that, we have our front dual zone climate, individual settings with our sync, also have front and rear defrost, and our fan controls across the middle. We can also turn on or off our rear climate from the bottom, and we can also adjust it from here as well, and that just turns it on to our screen. Then we have a heated driver seat and cooled driver seat, and the same options for our passenger in heated and cooled. Below that, USB-C, USB, 12-volt plug, all for charging, and that is right above our wireless charging pad. Dual cup holders with a bit of storage in the center. Leather finished center console with storage up top. You can also see our key up top. We have locks and unlocks, remote start, powered liftgate, and our powered glass, as well as our alarm system. Opening up, we just have a press release on the front. We have some storage inside with a rubber easy clean finish. Moving to the passenger seat, also that same jet black and brownstone leather, and that's featured throughout the vehicle. Heated, cooled, and powered for the passenger as well. Moving above the rearview mirror, OnStar settings are on the front. Slide, tilt, and our powered sunshades all there. Then we have our dome lighting controls and dome lighting on door open. We can fold our second row seats directly from the front of the vehicle, as well as our powered liftgate. Then we have 3 universal garage door opener settings. Then lastly, dual pane sunroof ranging from the front to the back of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. On the front we have a chrome slotted grille with our GMC badging. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with a GMC center cap and Continental cross-country tires. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with our integrated turn signals, paint match door handles with keyless entry as well as chrome accents, and a powered running board across the bottom of the vehicle. Moving all the way around to the back, GMC badging on our chrome with our red lettering, Yukon and Denali in chrome, as well as quad exhaust tips. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our power release in the bottom. In the back of the vehicle, our third row, we have a 60/40 power folding bench. You can actually fold it directly through the back of the vehicle. You can see we have a fold flat. You can fold the second row seating as well through the vehicle. And that also folds flat, and we can make a bunch of extra storage space. So that is 120 volt plug. Then we have our second seat folds, and then our third row power fold. In the back as well, we have a storage compartment underneath, some tie downs on either side. Then lastly, to close the vehicle, power release on the left and a manual release on the right hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, as well as power window controls, speakers throughout the door with our Bose system, storage as well, and some wood grain trim. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat, 2 cup holders in the back of the center console with some storage, tri-zone climate control so we can adjust our back directly through it. Also have auto as well as mode and temperature controls, heated second row seating, and 2 USB-Cs for charging, 12 or 120 volt plug in the bottom of the console. Moving to the second row seating, we have sliding captain's chairs finished in our jet black and brownstone interior. Leather, of course. On the side, we can move it front and back with the front switch, or fold it down by double pulling on the right. You can see it slides back into place. Moving to the third row, we have a power folding 60/40 bench seat, also finished in our leather. On either side, we have a cup holder with storage, as well as our USB-Cs. You can see the same on the passenger side. On the roof, we have our dome lights, as well as vents, and the same for the second row that also includes our dual pane sunroof. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2023 GMC Yukon. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.